There's another way. This is an old roller uh, handle. You will always have probably some lying around, and you can just put it in here. Obviously, you have to put it in such a way that it slides in, and for that we have to make a groove inside. As you can see, there's no groove inside, so yeah. I use an old blade, and I'm gonna make a groove there. I'm just gonna make it on the one side because I don't want it to become loose. It must go in a little bit more, difficult. The more difficult it go in, then it won't get loose again. So yeah, there you got it. Very simple things that you can do, and very easy. It doesn't cost you anything. You just have to look around for things that you keep in your garage or somewhere. And this is very nice. It's quite good. I think this animal is actually better than the one that I made up. Good.